Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KK Tech Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you the best screen recorder app for your mobile. So let's get started. I am opening my Play Store here. In your Play Store search engine, just search X Recorder. Yes, this is the app. Here you can see 4.7 rating out of 5 and 2 million reviews and 100 million plus downloads. Even after 100 million plus downloads and 2 million reviews, you can still see the rating 4.7 out of 5. This rating shows how good the app is. So I am recommending this app. This is the best screen recorder app for your mobile. I already installed this screen recorder app in my mobile, so it is showing open. If it is not installed, here you can see install option. I'm opening this app. Here you can see I'm opening settings here. Here in settings you can see a lot of options. Resolution, you can select our resolution, quality, FPS, orientation, record audio, and even this video I'm recording using this X Recorder app. You can see here. So I'm recommending this app to you as well. I hope the video is helpful. If the video is useful to you, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.